like Subway sandwiches kind of thing. And she picture it's all amazing.
How much money did you spend on that
Who
though?
knows?
Because to prepare food for 70 people,
It's not a
it ain't
cafeteria.
$70.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's not a cafeteria either.
I do not say anything to her
Yeah, what can
anymore.
you
In the
say?
past, I've told her, I said, you know, if you've got
You complain about your financial problems all the time, but you've got
Yeah.
money to be able to do that.
Her husband recently said, don't you take my picture. I will break your
I'm not
heart."
doing a picture.
Her husband recently said to her, you need to go out and find a job where you make more money.
Right.
Well, you know, excuse me, he's just been cut back because he was on overtime. Now they've cut back on overtime. They've hired more people to work under the 40 hours.
You can't rely on it. You can never rely on overtime work
Yeah.
as a regular source of income.
So, you know, I used to tell
Who
her,
would?
and I used to just have input